Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming your Apple ID and iCloud access. Open settings and ensure you are signed in. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the device into power if you have thousands of photos. Uploads finish faster and won't drain battery. Next, go to Settings Photos and turn on iCloud Photos so your library starts syncing. This step offloads new images to iCloud and prevents immediate local duplication. Make sure to follow the next slide to optimize storage. You should now choose how your phone stores images. Select Optimize iPhone Storage to keep space-saving thumbnails locally while originals live in iCloud. If you need full files on the device for editing or offline use, pick Download and Keep Originals, but that consumes phone space. Once chosen, Photos begins uploading. You can check progress in Photos or Settings Apple ID iCloud Manage Storage. Make sure to keep Wi-Fi and power active until the sync completes so nothing gets left behind. Finish by confirming your full library at iCloud. Com to ensure originals uploaded and that optimize reduced local space. Then free additional phone storage by offloading apps or deleting duplicates via Settings General iPhone Storage. If syncing stalls or photos aren't uploading, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, restart the device, and verify you have enough iCloud storage. Purchase a plan if necessary. This quick troubleshooting often clears stuck uploads and restores normal syncing without losing images.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.